When you bring project ideas to Pelham Plastics, you get much more than a world-class company. You get President John Mackey.
To believe that what makes Pelham Plastics different than a lot of other companies is the personal involvement that all of us get, from myself right through to the management team, with any of the customers, especially early on in the development of their product. At previous positions I've held prior to starting Pelham Plastics, it was a lot of dealing with a lot of outside companies, a lot of customers, people like design firms and other molding shops and stuff. And I saw a lot of things that I really didn't like, or I didn't like the way maybe I got treated, or my company got treated that I worked for at the time. So I kind of took what I liked and what I didn't like, and when I started Pelham Plastics, I wanted to make sure that the customer was number one. It's kind of a corny phrase, but it's the truth. I mean, from just calling in and talking to a person on the receptionist, instead of getting a number, dial 1 if you want this person, dial 2 for a name directory, all of that. You'll talk to a human being when you call Pelham Plastics. And hopefully, whether it's an existing customer or a new customer, somebody here will have an answer for them as soon as they call in.
You'll benefit from John's 2 decades of product engineering, plastics, and medical molding expertise, plus the experience and dedication of the entire Pelham team. All of our key players come directly from the industry, with many years of dedication in the top fields of medical manufacturing and R&D. Our strength also lies in the serious commitment each employee brings to the company and your project. Meet Bill Mowbray, our R&D engineer with over 20 years of design experience.
Yeah, to me, it's a first-rate company. I mean, I'm impressed by what I see around me on a daily basis. Right down to every individual's dedication to their own job throughout all of the groups. My background is I have a mechanical engineering background. I worked at one of the major players basically in the medical device industry for 10 years before moving on to another privately owned company for another 10 years. And again, what we're trying to do here at this level is really just figure out how to put together whatever it is that you're asking us to put together.
Manufacturing manager Cheryl Concesao has a 27-year background in medical device manufacturing.
I worked at a major medical company for approximately 22 years, and I was an engineer there. And coming to Pelham Plastics, I came in at the same role, and now I'm the manufacturing manager. Things don't always go to plan. Sometimes there is a late delivery on some of the raw materials that go into the product because they don't have them in stock. Pelham Plastics, we're all committed to quality product and on-time delivery.
Our in-house capabilities allow our team to see your product through, from prototype to manufacturing to packaging. Plus, Bill Mowbray's design knowledge helps you increase efficiency, product value, and profitability. And while we have the capacity for very large orders, we're always happy to work on projects of any size. One thing you won't find in our molding area is robots. Here we rely on human operators who care intimately about the quality of the components they create. Our operations manager, Stephen Lee, ensures that our full injection and insert molding are always first-rate. He brings over 18 years of experience in medical and R&D molding to the team. Stephen is proud of his operators and Pelham's commitment to using the newest technology in systems and machinery.
We're sitting outside our Class 10,000 portable clean room here at Pelham. It happens to be over a 55-ton Arberg U-model machine. Our machines here are pretty much turned around, say every 3 to 5 years, trying to keep up with technology. As new technology comes out in the field, we like to keep on top of that. I personally have been in the industry for almost 20 years now. I started out in a large manufacturing company, medical, right from the get-go. From there, I moved on to the R&D side of things. I worked for an R&D facility not too far away. And then, 8 years ago, John came to me and approached me about an idea he had about starting Pelham Plastics. The Class 10,000 clean room gets certified every year. Along with our molding machines, we have the manufacturer come in and they do the calibration on these machines each and every year, along with all the pieces of equipment here. Our dryers, our temperature controllers, everything's on a calibration program. It gets done every year. This portable clean room is very flexible. It's portable, so I can move it over any piece of equipment we like. We may have some jobs that it's a larger job, needs to be done in a clean room. I can move that clean room over to our larger 110-ton press. Smaller part, still need a clean room? I can move that clean room over to our 40-ton machine.
In manufacturing, Cheryl and her team perform a wide variety of assembly services from RF tipping and welding to pad printing and I-coring. All of our assembly work is done in an impeccably clean white room environment, and we back our commitment to quality with critical ISO certifications. Before leaving Pelham, your products are inspected thoroughly in our quality control room. We use state-of-the-art equipment for Instron, torque, and pressure testing. Finally, all components are packaged under a laminar flow hood using deionized air for excellent particulate control. Experience, innovation, the latest technology, and a commitment to quality. That's the Pelham Pledge.